How to show game apps in Gaming Hub in the Home and Apps screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe up to go into the Apps screen. In here, I'll open up the Gaming Hub app. Now here, I'm going to go back to the main Gaming Hub homepage. At the top here, tap on the More button, then tap on Settings. Next, in Gaming Hub settings, we go down and tap on Show Game Apps. In here, select In-Game Hub and Home and Apps screen. After that, you can tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now, if you swipe up to go into your home app screen, in here, you should be able to find all your games that you have downloaded and installed. You can see I got the Street Fighter 4, Roblox, Archero, and PUBG Mobile. So if I go into Gaming Hub only, if I go back in here, then all the games will be moved to Gaming Hub only, and it won't show in the apps screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.